Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Euro British Pound, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 4th March 2021, Thursday. So this video is for Thursday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. So let's jump to the chart. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.7245 level. And after this big fall, we can see that market is kind of in a consolidation. There is not much movement or not much volatility present in the market. Okay, so just by looking at this chart, we can see that we have got few levels. Okay, one level can be this, one level can be this, and the third and the ultimate level can be this. Okay, so 0.7210. Okay, so if market comes down and hits this point, okay, this level, and give you some price rejection, show you some price rejection like this, you can initiate the buy position. Your target will be this. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up, crosses this level 7305 level, okay, this level, okay, then, and if market gives a breakout, okay, if market crosses this level, then we can consider it as a breakout only if the price is being supported by volume. Okay, so in that case, what you can do, if you see that market is showing a breakout, then just wait for 1 hour. Okay, let the market stay above the resistance for at least 1 hour. Let the market feel comfortable above the resistance. If you are after 1 hour, if you see that market is comfortably trading above the resistance, then buy. Let the resistance become the support. That's the main motto. And in case market crosses this level with good volume or good selling pressure from upside, okay, then you can short the market here also. But market should bounce from here, and if market bounce from here and shows some good sign of reversal, then it's a buy. Okay, let's switch to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, 4 hours time frame is also telling us the same story. Okay, so after this big huge fall, okay, maybe market is consolidating and market may slide down further. Okay, so in that case, okay, in that case, the safe trade, okay, safe position to trade will be either above this level or this level. Okay, if market crosses this level with good amount of volume, then market will be getting uh, support again at this level. Okay, so if you short the market here, then be cautious by this level when market will hit this level. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level, let the market stay above or sustain above the resistance for 1 hour. If you see that market is trading comfortably, then you can buy. Okay, and if you are an aggressive kind of a trader, and if you see some price rejection from below, if market hits this level, okay, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, but it totally depends on your risk appetite. As mentioned, if you have got a risk appetite, if you are an aggressive trader, okay, then only you should go for this kind of trading. Okay, otherwise wait for this level or this level. So this is the simple analysis of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar US dollar for 4th March 2021 Thursday. So this is it. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. If you want to know, if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check my forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.